Smart blood sugar, the key to managing diabetes. Living with diabetes can be challenging, especially when it comes to managing your blood sugar levels. But what if there was a way to take control of your diabetes and live a healthier life? Introducing Smart Blood Sugar, the comprehensive guide that will change the way you manage your diabetes. With Smart Blood Sugar, you'll learn how to make smart food choices that will keep your blood sugar levels stable. You'll discover effective exercise strategies that can help you manage your diabetes and improve your overall health. And you'll learn practical tips for monitoring your blood sugar levels and making adjustments as needed. With Smart Blood Sugar, you'll have everything you need to take control of your diabetes and live a healthier, happier life. So why wait? Start your journey to better blood sugar management today with Smart Blood Sugar. Smart Blood Sugar, your guide to a healthier life with diabetes.